Hello there. We are designing this video to help you take a test or an exam using Proctorio. There's a few steps involved, and before we get too far in it, when you log into Canvas, you'll see your shell. You'll click on your shell. And by the way, I'm assuming you'll go to modules. I'm assuming that you've already gone through the Proctorio setup instructions.
So make sure you see the Proctorio shield.
The shield here. This says that Proctorio has been properly installed. Those instructions are right here. So when you click on there, it walks you through it. It's very simple. It just takes a minute or so to do. And you'll know you did it correctly when you have this shield up here. Now, you're going to be tempted. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a demo quiz, a fake quiz, just to make sure we know that our computer is ready for Proctorio and that you know what to do for Proctorio. Now, I just clicked on there, and now my temptation is to click here. But before I do that, MyOpenMath, which is your free online learning system, and Canvas have not spoken to each other yet. We need to make a connection there. Yeah, I'm going to go to student view here so you can see what the students see.
So this is supposed to be your view.
Yeah, this is now what you'll be seeing. It looks pretty much the same. So now before I go to the actual exam or Proctorio quiz, by the way, both this Proctorio quiz and your regular exams are here under quizzes. Now, before I do that, what I need to do is I need to go to any homework assignment, past, present, or future. And I need to not just click on it, but I need to go into a homework and actually see a homework problem. You don't have to do the homework problem. You just have to see it. Now that connection has been made, and now we can go back and I can go into quizzes.
You see, it's a demo, which is the same as under the orientations.
Yeah, so if you click back on modules and you see the demo Proctorio quiz, they're the same quiz. I just have them in the same thing in two different places. So now when I click on this, I might get a few errors here and there. Here's the video that I'm making right now. And we go to take the quiz. Now, when you see that it says access code and it has a problem like this here, here's what all you have to do to fix this. I'm going to go to the three dots here. I'm going to go to more tools and extensions. I know it seems like a lot. And all I'm going to do is go to the Proctorio extension and I'm going to turn it off and turn it on and watch what happens.
So this means it's a resetting a Proctorio. If you're taking so many quizzes or exam, it's a Proctorio, it start acting weird.
Yeah, and so when it does that, just go into those three dots, more tools, extensions, and reset it. Now when I take the quiz, we're seeing what we should be seeing. This is exactly the screen that we should be seeing. Now, before I get going on this, I want to show you that there's another small error that crept up. You can see down here. And the reason is because I have other tabs open. So I have to close all of the tabs except the one and watch what happens. It automatically resets and we're good and we're ready to go. So now I can actually go into the pre-checks. This is going to check your webcam, your microphone, connection, desktop. Now it needs for you to share your screen. If you click here, nothing's going to happen. You have to go here and select the screen, and then you can share it. This takes a minute to do. You'll need an ID ready. Any picture ID you'll need before you take any test. And it does not have to be a school ID. It can be any kind of picture ID. Oh, okay. There we go. All right, so the next part of this is it's going to be checking your ID. So I'm going to click next. I missed it. There. There we go. Next, now it's going to take a picture, and it only lets one person be in the picture. No one will see this picture except maybe me or her if she's your teacher. So don't worry about how you look in the picture or anything. No one will see it.
Yeah. We just want to check who's taking the exam.
Yeah, we just want to make sure you're taking the exam. Now, to go into the Proctorio quiz is going to be this here. So I click there, give it permission. Now, this quiz is it doesn't even matter if you get it right or not. We're more interested that you're going through the proper process to get to here. So I'm going to type in the wrong answer here. I'll type in 19. That might be the right answer. I don't know. I hit submit question.
It's wrong. That's fine.
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. But once you finish, submit and done.
Now I hit done. Now I'm still not done.
Okay.
I now need to go back to Canvas and submit my quiz. Now I'm done.
Okay.
You can do this practice numerous times with lots of practice.
But make sure it's a Proctorio is closed.
Yeah, make sure you wait for it to cycle through and have it closed. And so now we're done.
All right. If you have any questions, contact us. Hopefully, it's get through it.
Yep, we can help you out. All right, good luck on all your tests. We hope that you nail everything.